Racing just is started. We have Master's Degree, break, weekly restart, moving a party outside. Marcus, Empire, Reclamador, Clams next. Graceful, Conqueror, Fly, Aday, Fly, top of the line. In the middle portion comes Ravishing Rapi, Panibugho comes next. Visionary, Showman, Blandivage, Sunday Street, Yotero, second last, while Seniority is the early trailer. When as they swing down the back, we have Marcus Empire by about 4 lengths. Master's Degree in second. Fly, Aday, Fly is racing in third. And on the outside fourth comes Reclamador. Top of the line comes next Blandivage. Then next on line is Graceful, Conqueror, Ravishing Rapi, Showman, Visionary, Yotero, then followed over by Seniority, Panibugo, second last, while Sunday Street now racing in 14th. And at the far turn, Master's Degree now takes command. Down on the inside comes Marcus Empire. Fly, Aday, Fly, Reclamador comes next. Top of the line. Now moving a party outside as they swing for home. We have Marcus Empire once again takes command. Master's Degree, Blandivage is down on the inside. Showman top of the line with about 100 meters of the race. We have Marcus Empire moving a party outside, top of the line. Marcus Empire, and finally it's Marcus Empire top of the line. Then comes Master's Degree, Showman.
11.56 lang nakita ko.